Best Pokémon Scarlet and Violet mods. Amidst its initial launch glitches, Pokémon Scarlet and Violet have significantly improved by 2024, emerging as one of the premier Pokémon gaming experiences available today, though not without its imperfections. However, for seasoned players who've exhausted extensive gameplay, there may be limited new content to explore. For those seeking fresh experiences within the game, the world of mods offers a gateway to innovation and excitement. While modding a Nintendo Switch isn't as straightforward as on PC, with proper precautions, players can enhance their Pokémon Scarlet and Violet adventures with third-party content. Various mods cater to different player preferences and challenges, from fundamental alterations to gameplay mechanics to the addition of new shiny Pokémon variants. These mods inject new life into the game. However, it's crucial to tread cautiously as modding carries the risk of Nintendo banning players from online services. Here's a glimpse into some of the standout Pokémon Scarlet and Violet mods of 2024. Pokémon Primitive Randomizer offers customizable options for randomized gameplay, revitalizing the gaming experience. Project Sky allows players to tweak Pokémon stats, moves, and evolutions, providing greater control over gameplay dynamics. Volcane's Custom Shinies introduces additional shiny Pokémon variants, catering to dedicated shiny hunters. Area Zero Remaster enhances visuals in specific game areas, enriching the overall aesthetic experience. Picnic Plus improves the picnic mechanic in the game, offering enhanced buffs and expanded features. No low poly Pokémon models ensures Pokémon always loads in high detail, addressing graphical concerns. Faster battles speeds up battle sequences, reducing tedious delays for a more streamlined experience. Pokémon Scarlet Violet Reshade Appearance Enhancer enhances lighting and visual effects, subtly enhancing the game's aesthetics. Harder Trainers allows players to adjust the battle difficulty, ensuring a challenging gameplay experience tailored to individual preferences. While these mods offer exciting possibilities, players should exercise caution and discretion when incorporating them into their gameplay, mindful of potential consequences and risks associated with modding.